Okay, let's now talk about studios and what they actually are. So studios are additional tools that can affect your entire document or part of it, or that can affect the certain parts of the tools. So they are, let's say, an additional things to the tools. Tools are very basic things, and tools are a bit more advanced stuff. The studios are more a bit advanced stuff. I know it's a bit difficult to explain, but as we will go, it will be more clearer and clearer. For example, Color Studio is an only place where you can choose the color of an object. So for example, if I want to draw something like a diamond like that, if I want to draw something like that, let me just center it. I'm going to use this one. Let's center it just like that. We're going to learn how to do those, what all of those things are doing, of course, later. And if I want to change the fill color of this thing, of this diamond, all I need to do is refer to the Color Studio and change the color from here. As simple as that. I can change this very simple. If I want dark purple, great. Light purple, great. Even more lighter, like washed out purple, even possible everything. If I want to change opacity, I can do that, etc, etc. All done through the Color Studio. The Layer Studio allows you to choose the different layers. For example, if I want to draw another rectangle on top of it, let's change its color just to make it a bit more visible. And as you can see, that rectangle is on the top of the diamond. And what if I want to put it on the bottom? All I need to do is refer to the Layer Studio and drag the rectangle layer down under the diamond. And as you can see, now diamond is on the top. As simple as that. I can even center this like that and get some kind of very beautiful shapes with that. Every single studio does some specific task. Color Studio is working with colors. Layer Studio is working with layers. Character Studio working with characters, meaning the text. It works more with text. Paragraphs, it's additionally with the text. There is also textile, additional studio for the text. The text requires a lot of different studios. And effects, for example, if I want this diamond to have something like a outer glow, I can choose this and I can increase the radius. As you can see, like this diamond has an outer glow around it, like very white glow, pretty beautiful. This is what studios are doing. Studios are doing additional things. Each and every one of the studios are separate windows. You can take and move them however you want. For example, what I like to do, I like to take the stock studio, which is very, very powerful thing, allows you to access the stock photos from Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay.com inside of the Affinity software. For example, if I want a photo of wood, sorry, no, wrong font, wood, as you can see, it searched the Unsplash for the wood. And if I want to use this wooden photo, I'm gonna put it like that. I'm gonna just drag and drop. I'm gonna put it as a background just like that. I'm gonna go back, and as you can see, beautiful wooden background right without even leaving the Affinity publisher software or even downloading the picture anywhere else. Very cool. Yeah, I can even access the different websites. For example, Pexels might have something different. Pixabay might have something different as well. Very powerful thing. What I do like is to take the stock. All I need to do is left click mouse on the stock tab, take it away. As you can see, it's separate, and all I need to do is just drag it down, down. As you can see, when I drag it to the bottom, it's changing the color of the Asset Studio in this case. And all I need to do is release it, and as you can see, now I can have both pages and stock all at the same time. I can even resize them if I want. It's very, very powerful feature. As far as I know, I can get the third one just like that if I will put them between them. As you can see, I have 3 studios on the left and 3 studios on the right. Now, if I want to decrease, for example, the size of the Asset Studio, all I need to do is just decrease the size just like that. Maybe a bit smaller because I don't need it that much. Maybe I can decrease the size of the stock as well. So it will look like something like that. I have 3 studios on the left, 3 studios on the right. I'm not sure if I can get any more. Let's try. Yeah, actually I can. I can get the 4th one. Oh, press Ctrl Z. So let me get back stroke right here, because stroke is needed on this part, because that's what I'm used to using it. So as you can see, you can set up your workspace however you want. And my friends, I highly recommend you to be very careful with the studios. Just try to get knowing them, because it's very important things to have. Plus, one additional thing that I totally forgot to talk about, which is very important: some studios are not available by default. There are actually far more studios than you see right here. Actually, you can see 4, there's 7, there is 10, and there's 13. There's far more than 13 studios. In order to access them, all you need to do is go to View, go to Studios, and then choose whatever additional studio that you want. For example, if I want a table of content studio, I can add it, and it added just right there. And I can access table of content studio from right then and there. If I don't want it anymore, I can just take it away and just delete it. Or if I want just to, all I need to do is just go into the view, go to the studios again, and take away the table of contents. It's as simple as that. Know that you can change the positions of the studios, and that you can add new studios from View Studios menu. That's all that you need to do. If you want to reset everything that how it was, go down on the same menu and press Reset Studio, and it will reset everything as it was. Maybe you messed up, maybe you threw away some studio somewhere that you cannot find. Such things happen. It happened to me, it might happen to you, so no worries with that. So this will be it for studios, and let's go to the next lecture.